Thanks for joining me. I'm going to jump right in because I am not your typical podcaster. I am not your typical anything, and I never have been. So if you're watching this on YouTube, you'll understand what I mean. You'll have a visual of what I'm talking about. So this episode, it's evening time, it's dark. The lighting is horrible. I have no makeup on. I'm actually in my pajamas because I took an early shower and decided I would get myself ready for bed. And I wanted to record an episode. And I thought, my first thought was like, that's unconventional. Aren't you supposed to have makeup on? Aren't you supposed to be dressed and have great lighting and, do it in the daytime so that the natural light comes through the window? And I admit I do most of my podcasting with that in mind. But the reality is, I always want to like just be me. And like many of you who I'm talking to, the holiday season was freaking busy. We can't believe that we're already 2 weeks into January of 2025. A lot is going on in the world that is heavy and making us sad. The fires in California are just unbelievable. And I don't want to get into that because it is upsetting and I'm processing that. I have a very good friend who lives in that area. But on a personal note, a lot of us have been really feeling the weight of the world. I'll put it that way. And I've dealt with some, health struggles in the last 2 weeks or so. And I have a webinar that I'm doing this week that my brain hasn't really been able to turn off about because it's really important to me when I do something like that. And I want to put value out there for you all. And this is a free webinar. Some people would say, why are you worried about it? It's free. Whatever they get, they get. And, yada, yada. But I always want to deliver at a super high level, whether it's a paid program, it's a free live training that I'm doing, it is a free webinar that I'm doing. And there's so much really good, brand new content that I'm putting together for this Zoom webinar this week that I want to really make sure that it is packed with value and I deliver it at a really high standard. And I'm the kind of person who, once I get, and speaking of unpolished webinar episode, I mean, a Zoom podcast episode, you could probably hear the dogs. They're fighting in the background. They decided that it will, it's the time for them to wrestle. So I apologize if you can't hear me enough clearly, but anyway, this is a brand new Zoom training, and there's so much really good new information that I'm putting together that my brain has been just reeling with how I want it to, how I want to deliver it, how I want to package it, how I want to deliver it to you so that you can get the best from it. It can be the most useful information that you have. And so this episode clearly is me kind of just rambling and having a chit chat with you. And, hey, that's what the rest of this episode is going to be. So if you're down with that, hang in here with me. If not, hop off, totally get it. It doesn't hurt my feelings, and come back next week when the episode has a really organized topic and organized, pattern of delivering information. But when I'm in a zone like this, the way I work is I can't shut it down. Like I cannot shut my brain down. So for example, I have been waking up at 2 a.m. every morning for probably the last 4 or 5, excuse me, nights, because I'm admittedly having a difficult time resting my body and my brain. And that's not the healthiest, it's not the greatest. But that's how my brain operates when I'm in creation mode. All right. So if you're not signed up for this webinar, let me tell you, you need to sign up. I'll make sure that we put the link to sign up in the description and the podcast notes of this episode, because if you're listening to it on the day that it is published, so it has to be, this is only true if it is Thursday, January 16th, when you're listening to this. If you have not signed up for that Zoom training that I'm delivering, sign up. Go right now. Stop listening. Go right now to the show notes. Click on that link and register. It is a Zoom training. I was thinking that it would last about an hour and 15 minutes, but it's probably going to last at least an hour and a half, maybe an hour 45. I've scheduled plenty of time for it. I've told everyone to make sure that you have about 2 hours to dedicate and devote to listening. Bring pen and paper. You are going to want to take notes, and give yourself permission to take an hour and a half or 2 hours on Thursday evening to listen to information that truly can change your life. I have thought a lot about how I want to put this all together in a way that can be impactful and powerful. It's unlike anything that you're going to hear anywhere else. And it's kind of reactionary too, I'll tell you, because it's a culmination of me doing a lot more research, both, in the area of weight loss, and particularly weight loss for women who are over 40 or over 50 and in that perimenopausal stage of life, that transitional stage of life, but also research based on the hundreds of women, at this point, actually thousands of women that I've coached in the last 10 plus years, but most especially the women in the last 4.5 years or so since I've been doing this full time, and the patterns that I've seen and the truths around weight loss at this stage of life, weight loss and health. And I'm going to reveal some just truths. I mean, they are unmistakable truths about what is reality for us at this stage in life, and also why the lies that are out there are not, that they're, why they are lies and why they're not working for you. And so I'm just going to break it down. Some of my colleagues in the area may even kind of get pissed off at me when they find out what I'm going to be sharing. But the truth is that this weight loss industry, particularly weight loss, wellness, health industry, particularly dealing with women who are over 40, over 50, is somewhat of a scam. It is just unconscionably, in many ways, it is an industry that preys on women at a time when we may be a little vulnerable and feeling kind of weak anyway because of what's happening with our bodies. But it is truly, for so many reasons, just come and join me Thursday night. I'm not going to get into, the industry faults and all of those things. I really am focusing on why things aren't working for you, why you're struggling the way that you're struggling, and the truths around that and how you can change it. So show up for me. Other than that, I will say, I'm going to close out here, but I will say, you guys really, even if you're not going to be with me on Thursday night, really take some extra care and time in the coming weeks to attend to yourselves. So many of you that I'm talking to in, direct messages through social media platforms, so many of you are really struggling right now. And there are a lot of things going on in this country, a lot of things going on in your individual lives, professionally and personally. And it just kind of feels like, layer upon layer of some added weight. And that means that you need to take a little bit of extra time, spend a little bit extra attention and care, be kind to yourselves, and allow yourselves the space to feel what you're feeling, but also to focus on moving forward. So whatever that looks like for you, do that. Okay. I'm going to close out there. This was definitely an episode that was just me rambling and sharing some, just honest, raw truths with you this evening. And I hope that I will see you this evening on that Zoom training if you're listening to this on Thursday, January 16th. Thanks for being here. As always, thanks for listening and hanging out with me. And I'll see you right back here next time.